Hey sis, in this video I will show how to make this mixed match of Ankara and Ashoke A-line dress. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel Sew with Agnes. Please like, share and subscribe. This is the fabric I'll be using. I folded it by using the hip measurement. The hip is 44 inches divided by 4. I have 11 inches plus 1 inch for ease, then 1.5 or 2 inches for allowance. So I have these two. These are the ones I'm going to use. And then I'll cut it now. I'll cut the fabric open because it's a mix match. I'll cut both of them. There are two patterns. That's the plain pattern. This is the colored pattern, the mixed color mixed pattern. So I'll cut it as well. Open it. So after cutting, I mark the wrong side so I will not mix them up. Differentiating the right side from the wrong side. So I'll mark all of them. So I will not make any mistake. So after marking, I'll sew. I'll put them together like this. Take one pattern, put it together with the other one and make and sew it. I sew 3/4 inches. So this is how it is. And so I will do the same for the other one. That is to making sure it's 3/4. So I mark the 3/4 as well on this other one, this other set. Then I will do a line. So I will go and sew it. Now after sewing, this is what it looks like. So I'm just checking. So I'll place it now. So when you are placing it, because it's a mixed match, the two sides should be the same pattern, should be on top of each other so that it will look like this after sewing. Like this one. This is the inspiration, and make this one as well. It should be like this. So I'm just making sure that it's aligned. So I'll start to mark. So I just realized that it should not, I will not be able to mark on that pattern that has so many colors, so many designs. So I'll mark on this one that is a little bit plain. So I turn it again, fold it so that the pattern that has many designs will face each other. So I'll mark. Then I'm making sure I have my zipper allowance at the back panel, and I folded the front panel, the sewing, the joining area. I fold it, place it on top of the zipper allowance. So you make sure that it sits on top of the zipper allowance correctly. So I pin it down so that I'll not make any mistake. So that it will align well. So I pin it down well. So after pinning, this is what it looks like. I'll cut the back and the front together. So the shoulder is 17 inches divided by 2 plus half inch. Then half of the armhole. The armhole is 23, half of it is 11.5. Then I mark it, then I go up by 2 inches for the chest line. The chest line is 9.5. So I mark the same on this other end, then I'll connect the lines 11.5 and 9.5. So on that chest line, I mark the 9 inches of the shoulder, then I'll connect them. Then I'll mark the half inch for shoulder slant, then I'll cover my armhole. The neck width is 5 inches. Remember that all the markings are from the zipper allowance, that line. So the neck width is 5 inches, the neck depth for the back is 1.5, then the neck depth for the front is 3 inches. Then I'll connect them like so. Then the waist line is 17 inches. I'll mark that is from the shoulder, 17 inches. And I'll draw the line, connect it. Then from the shoulder again, I'll mark the hip of 26 inches. I'll mark and connect it as well. Then from the waist, I'll mark the knee line from I take it from the hip. From the hip, the knee line I mark 18 inches. And I'll connect 18 inches. Okay, so all my markings. So I have the chest line, the bust line, the waist, the hip, and the knee line. So on the chest line, the bust measurement is 44 divided by 4, 11 inches plus 1 inch, then plus 1.5. On the waistline, the waist is 38 divided by 4, I have 9.5 plus 1 inch plus 1.5. And the hip and the bust are the same, so I mark the same for them. Then on the knee line, I reduce what I have on that hip, 11. I reduce by 1, so I have 10 plus 1 inch for ease, then 1.5 for sewing allowance. Then I'll connect all of them now. The bust, chest line, the waist, the hip, all the markings. Then I'll make sure that the waist area is not pointed. So from the knee line, I will extend the line like this down to the hem. Then I will make sure that that knee line also is not pointed, not sharp. So I have 16 inches on that bottom part. I'll slant it like this so that it will not be sharp as well. It's time to cut now. I'll cut along the lines. I'll cut the neckline, the back neckline first. Then I'll cut like this. I'll cut the front neckline and I'll remove the pins. After removing the pins, I'll mark the yoke. The yoke is 6 inches, but I'll mark 5.5 inches. Then I'll use the half inch to join to the bodies. So I'll connect, then I'll cut it out. So after cutting, I use it to cut the lace, which I'll use for the yoke. I left half inch for joining. I'll remove the pins. So I will join the back yoke first. So this is how it is. Now I've top stitch it. So for the front, this is how the front will look like. So I'll remove this one. Then I'll attach the Ashoke. I have this one is 6 inches, 6.5 inches. So I want 5.5. So I'll fold half inch on both sides, and the length is 54.5 inches. So I'll place it like this. I'll pin it down on solo sides, and it's on both ends. So after I've sewn them, then I've attached the yoke and top stitch it. So I turn the neckline with bias for both the back and the front, and I've also fixed my zipper. So I'll place them now right sides facing each other. I'll pin it, making sure they are aligned together. After pinning, so I will mark half inch on the shoulder on both ends. Then I'll connect on the sides. I'll mark 1 inch for joining. So I'll sew them. After sewing, this is what it looks like. I've also hemmed the bottom. So the bottom, that is how it should be. So I have this strip of Ashoke. It's 2.5 inches. So I'll attach it round. I have 16 inches in length. I'll attach it like this at the bottom. So I've done it. This is how it's looking. So for the sleeves, I'll measure around the armhole. After measuring, I have 24.5 inches. So these are for the sleeves. So I'll fold it into two. Then I'll use this one to trace. I have a full tutorial on how to do this bell sleeve on my channel, so you can watch it. So I trace this sleeve out, then I mark 1 inch down for sewing. So for the armhole area, I'll go down by 3 inches, then I'll connect it like this. Simple but beautiful bell sleeve. And cut it out now. I'll use it to cut the other one. So this is what. So I'll attach the Ashoke on the sleeves as well. This is what I have. So they are 2 inches in width, and the length is the measurement of the sleeve. So I've attached them. This is how they are looking beautiful. So I'll fold into two now, then I'll mark the measurement. So on the armhole area, I'll recheck again. I have 24.5 inches. So half of it, I'll mark it on the mark half of it at the top on that armhole area. I have 12 to quarter, sorry. Then at the bottom, I will take the same measurement because the client wants exactly what is on this other dress. I have 17 inches, so I'll mark it, including the similar ones. Mark and connect. I'll mark the same on the other sleeve. Then I will sew them. After sewing, this is how then I will attach them like this. I made 3 dresses for one customer. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one.